Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. It really helps the channel grow. Xiaomi isn't just about smartphones or smart bulbs. Sometimes they take a swing at tools. And when they do, the results look like Apple designed a drill and had it assembled in a power bank factory. That's the first impression of the Xiaomi 12V Max Brushless Cordless Drill. The packaging sets the tone. Inside a sleek white box, you'll find a zippered carrying case with the drill, charger, bits, and drill heads. It's basically a handbag, but instead of perfume and lipstick, you're carrying a ready-to-use tool. Design-wise, this drill feels like it dropped from another planet. Smooth plastics, clean lines, no random protrusions, and even an OLED display on the back. It sits comfortably in hand, though you'll notice the weight. It feels more like a stylish gadget than a rough workshop tool, and honestly, that's when the geek inside starts grinning. Of course, the big question is, how long will it stay this pretty? The glossy screen will scratch, the plastic will show marks, but tools are meant to work, not stay in display cases. A drill with scars is simply a drill with history. Under the hood, you've got a brushless motor delivering up to 30 Nm of torque and 1400 RPM. Plenty for DIY and home projects. Wood, plastics, even metal, no problem. Just don't try concrete, it's not made for that. 3 modes add versatility. Automatic, where a smart chip adjusts torque for you. Manual, with 30 levels of control for detail lovers. And pulse mode, perfect when you'd rather coax a screw than strip it. The OLED screen shows your mode and battery status, which is great, but I really missed one thing. A work light LED. Drilling under a desk in the dark? That would have been priceless. Competitors are a step ahead here. Now, about the battery, here's the weak spot. It's integrated and charges via USB-C. Convenient, sure, but no option to swap it out. After a few years, when the battery inevitably loses capacity, you'll have to live with it. Still, for casual home use, it should last 5 years or more. And honestly, knowing Xiaomi, they'll probably release several new generations before yours finally dies. So, what's the verdict? The Xiaomi 12V Max Brushless Cordless Drill is a design-forward tool with enough muscle for all your household jobs, from shelves to IKEA builds. It won't replace a professional hammer drill, but it was never meant to. If you want a drill that looks like a gadget and not a clunky piece of hardware, this is your pick. Just don't fear the scratches. A spotless drill means you're not using it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next.